all you need is just 2 quarts of milk. It doesn't have to be raw milk. It can be just plain regular old grocery store milk. It doesn't matter if it's pasteurized or not. And you're going to need 1/4 cup of yogurt. I have this left over from my first batch. You can just use it over and over. If you don't have yogurt, if you've never made it before and you don't have a starter, you can just use a container of plain yogurt from the grocery store. So for this, because I wanted Greek yogurt, I used a container of plain Greek yogurt, and it worked great. And you'll need an Instant Pot, and you will not need the ring for the Instant Pot, the sealing ring. And that's it. That's literally all there is to it. It's super, super simple.